Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. So yesterday we have discussed some important points in the marginal costing. So again I repeat, when the cost of production is to be ascertained, the variable cost and fixed cost that are to be taken into consideration. And the variable cost is to be changed as per the increase or decrease in the product, and the fixed cost is always remain fixed, and that is the basic of finding out the cost of production of any type of commodity or the product. So in the marginal costing, what is the cost of a final unit or product that is to be taken into consideration, and if one unit is increased or decreased, the cost of production is to be increased or decreased, and that is why to certain extent the production is to be taken by the company as per the break even point, and the different types of things are to be find out with the help of the marginal costing technique, that is profitability. What will be the break even point in units, break even points in rupees, as well as what is the margin of safety, that all these things are to be easily find out well in advance because of the marginal costing technique. So today we can have some notes and some important points which are to be very important in the solution of the problem on the marginal costing. So write down, in the ascertainment of in the ascertainment of cost of product, cost of product, we have studied that we have studied that the different costs can be classified, the different costs can be classified into into two groups, that is fixed cost and variable cost, that is fixed cost and variable cost. Full stop. Variable cost changes, variable cost changes or varies with, or varies with the changes in, the changes in volume of output, VOLUME, volume of output, or the level of activity, or the level of activity. Full stop. As adverse to this, as adverse to this, fixed cost, fixed cost relates to time, relates to time, does not vary with, does not vary with changes of activity, changes of activity, but it can be remains constant, but it can be remains constant. Stop. Because of inclusion of, because of inclusion of fixed cost in determination of, in determination of total cost of a product, total cost of a product, the cost per unit, the cost per unit from period to period, from period to period, is changing, is changing according to the increase or decrease, according to the increase or decrease in the volume of production, in the volume of production. Full stop. This type of concept, this type of concept of marginal costing, of marginal costing is concerned with, is concerned with determination of cost of product, determination of cost of product with relates to, with relates to direct material, direct material, comma, direct labor, direct labor, direct expenses, direct expenses, and the variable overheads, and the variable overheads. Stop. It should be noted that, it should be noted that the variable cost per unit, the variable cost per unit is fixed, is fixed, and fixed cost per unit and fixed cost per unit is variable with the changes in the level of with the changes in the level of output level of output. Paragraph करा. Variable costing is generally known as variable costing is generally known as marginal costing. Marginal costing full stop. The ICMA has defined the concept marginal cost. The concept marginal cost as below. इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमा मध्ये घ्या. It is the amount of any given volume of output by which aggregate costs are changed. If the volume of output is increased or decreased by 1 unit, inverted comma complete. From the analysis of this definition, it is clear that increase or decrease in one unit of output increases or reduces the total cost from the existing level to the new level. This increase or decrease, this increase or decrease in variable cost, in variable cost from existing level to, from existing level to new level is called as, new level is called as marginal cost, marginal cost. Full stop. It may be become very easy to understood, it may be become very easy to understood the marginal cost concept, the marginal cost concept from the following example, from the following example. Suppose the cost of producing, suppose the cost of producing 100 units, 100 units is rupees 200, is rupees 200. The marginal cost comes, the marginal cost comes into bracket mana 200 upon 100, 200 upon 100 is equal to rupees 2. Full stop. If 101 units are, if 101 units are manufactured, the cost goes out, the cost goes out and becomes rupees, and becomes rupees 202, 202. Full stop. If 99 units are, if 99 units are manufactured, manufactured, the cost is reduced by rupees 2, the cost is reduced by rupees 2 and comes rupees, and comes rupees 198, 198. So with the increase or decrease, grow with the increase or decrease in the volume of product, in the volume of product, the cost is also increase or decrease. The cost is also increased or decreased by rupees 2 respectively, by rupees 2 respectively, and that is why, and that is why rupees 2 will be called as, rupees 2 will be called as the marginal cost, the marginal cost. Next line la heading the how the marginal cost is computed, how the marginal cost is computed, oblique calculated, oblique calculated, underline, the marginal cost is to be, the marginal cost is to be calculated, calculated by taking into consideration, by taking into consideration the various elements of cost, the various elements of costs full stop, as per the following stages, as per the following stages, the marginal cost is to be calculated, the marginal cost is to be calculated. Next line लगा direct material cost, direct material cost, त्याच्या समोर 2xx रुपीजच्या स्वरूपात लिहायचं आहे. डायरेक्ट मटेरियल कॉस्ट मध्ये अंतर ठेवून कोपऱ्यामध्ये लिहायचं xx. नेक्स्ट लाइन डायरेक्ट लेबर कॉस्ट, डायरेक्ट लेबर कॉस्ट पुन्हा xx. नेक्स्ट लाइन डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस, डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस xx. variable production overheads, variable production overheads xx. variable administrative overheads, variable administrative overheads dash dash xx. variable selling and distribution overheads, variable selling and distribution overheads एक्स 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 या सगळ्यांची टोटल करा आणि त्याला नाव द्या टोटल व्हेरिएबल कॉस्ट. टोटल व्हेरिएबल कॉस्ट into bracket marginal cost. marginal cost आणि तिकडे एरो दाखवा आणि खाली टोटलला 2 रेषा मारा. नेक्स्ट लाइन लगा. Marginal costing is not a method of marginal costing is not a method of costing, but it is a technique of but it is a technique of controlling the cost by bringing out into bracket showing bracket complete relationship between profit and volume of product. Next line la heading the features of marginal costing. Number 1, the elements of costs are classified between fixed cost and variable cost. Number 2, only the variable cost is considered while calculating product costs. Number 3, stock of finished products and WIP, work in progress, and WIP are valued at variable cost. Number 4, contribution is calculated. Contribution is calculated and it is the difference, and it is the difference between sales and variable cost, between sales and variable cost. Next, number 5. Fixed costs do not, fixed cost do not find the place in the product cost, find the place in the product cost. Number 7, prices are based on, prices are based on variable cost plus contribution, variable cost plus contribution. Next number, it is a technique of, it is a technique of cost recording and cost reporting, cost recording and cost reporting. Next, profitability of various products, profitability of various products is determined, very easily next number, presentation of data, presentation of data is oriented to, is oriented to highlight the total contribution, highlight the total contribution and the contribution from each product, and the contribution from each product. Next, break-even analysis, break-even analysis and cost volume profit analysis, and cost volume profit analysis are integral part of, are integral part of this technique, this technique. Next, contribution is equal to, contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost इंटू ब्रॅकेटला C इज इक्वल टू S मायनस V, C is equal to S minus V, bracket complete, and the last profit is equal to C minus fixed cost, C minus fixed cost. Paragraph करा. The marginal costing is very beneficial and providing the advantages which are given in brief, in the headings only, फक्त एका शब्दामध्ये त्याचे ॲडव्हान्टेज लिहायचे, त्याचं एक्सप्लेनेशन काय करायची गरज नाही. नंबर 1 घ्या. constant in nature, व्हेरिएबल कॉस्ट स्थिर स्वरूपाची असते. नंबर 2, it is realistic, Number 3, there is no complication of overheads. Number 4, it helps to control the cost. Number 5, meaningful reporting is made. Number 6, determination of profitability. Well in advance. Next, it helps to the management in profit planning. Next, break-even point can be easily calculated. Next, pricing decisions are becomes correct one, becomes correct one, and the last, the management can identify, the management can identify the responsibilities clearly, the responsibilities clearly. पुढे फक्त हेडिंग देऊन ठेवा, लिमिटेशन्स ऑफ मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग, लिमिटेशन्स ऑफ मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग. त्याचं सुद्धा आपण जास्त विश्लेषण घेणार नाही, थोडक्या एका वाक्यामध्ये काही शब्दांमध्ये त्याच्या लिमिटेशन्स मेन्शन करणार आहोत. उद्या आपण त्याचा विचार करू. ओके. बरं, मला एक, आता आपल्या इथं सगळे विद्यार्थी नाहीत, तर मी ग्रुपवर एक काल मेसेज टाकला होता, ज्यांचा तिसऱ्या सेमिस्टरचा मॅनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग वगैरे राहिला असेल, तो पेपर उद्या आहे. कारण काही विद्यार्थी पेपर झाल्यावर मला फोन करतात, सर माझा पेपर होता, मला पुन्हा काहीच करता येत नाही. निदान पेपरच्या टायमिंग मध्ये जरी त्यांनी फोन केला तरी मी त्यांना लिंक पाठवू शकतो. पण पेपर झाला, टायमिंग संपल्यावर कुठून तरी त्यांना समजतं की आज पेपर होता. तर असे जर कोणी आपले मित्र मैत्रिणी असतील तर त्यांना अलर्ट करा की जे कुठेतरी जॉबला असतात, त्यांना कॉलेजमध्ये काय चाललंय, ग्रुपमध्ये काय चाललंय ह्याची काहीच कल्पना नसते, आणि ते एकदम झोपेतून जागे होतात आणि मग मला विचारतात, सर आता काय करता येईल काय. एकदा परीक्षा झाल्यावर काय करता येईल, 11 ते किंवा 1 ते 2 जे काही टायमिंग असेल त्याच्यामध्ये समजा तो 1:15ला फोन आला तरी मी त्याला लिंक पाठवेल. पण अगदीच पेपर संपून 2-2:30 वाजता तो जर मला म्हणत असेल, सर काही करा पण मला लिंक पाठवा, तर ह्या गोष्टी शक्य होत नाहीत. पण असे जर कोणी तुमच्या मित्रापैकी मैत्रिणीपैकी कोण असतील तर त्यांना अलर्ट करा की उद्या 1 ते 2 या कालावधीमध्ये मॅनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग सेमिस्टर 3 पेपर आहे, मॅनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंगचा. थोडं त्यांना लक्षात आणून द्या. ओके, बाय.